All right, 577 here. Mr. Mike from Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're starting on your Mirage 86HP, man. Plugged it in. She lights up, that's a good sign. No magic smoke coming out of it. And the complaint was off frequency or off TX frequency. Roger beep in op. Not necessary to fix. Remove aftermarket kit if needed. That's it. All right, Mr. Mike. We dug into it a little bit, and this was the aftermarket kit in there, the Pete Repeat. I have taken so many of these things and thrown them right in the garbage. Yup, that's what I do with them. I don't know how many of them over the years. Sorry about the furnace noise back there, it just kicked on. It was right here, stuck up against the chassis. There was power going to it. It was deleted. There was no audio coming out of it, no audio going through it. So it was burned out. I found a resistor in here that was missing. I believe it was R193. I think this GoPro is on super wide. But it was R193 right down in here. I think it was a 2.2K or something like that, ohm resistor. And we stuck that back in there. And here's your Roger beep. Oh, 1212, 577 Jersey, and I'm over and out. Bump, bump. So the Roger beep works. We got the Roger beep. We got the Roger beep working. And man, look at that meter deflection. That is really insane, man. I like this radio. It's got like upgraded 6900 XXX board in it with the 3 MOSFETs, so audio. It's definitely working. And you said it was off TX frequency. It sounds pretty good, but I'm looking up here. And it's 32 cycles high, so we're gonna let it warm up for a while. I just got down here not long ago. We'll let this equipment warm up, let the radio warm up for about an hour, and we'll see what it does then. But it sounds like it's pretty close to being on frequency, and the factory allows you like 20 cycles high or low. So I mean, it's definitely out of tolerance there by 11 cycles high. So we'll get that all dialed in for you, Mr. Mike. And then you wanted to do the MPCRC mod to this radio, which I think I have figured out. So I'm going to check all the bias volts on the driver and the 2 finals, check out all the solders, make sure everything's tight, make sure all the board screws are locked up, all the final screws, all the active device screws are locked up. AM modulator is going to be locked up. Make sure there's proper thermal compound on everything. Bump, bump. Nice radio, man. I like this board. And this already has the Shocky diodes in it. Right here, D1, D2, and D31 and D30. So she's already got the upgraded diodes in there for the lower noise floor and the higher sensitivity. Bump, bump. That works on some radios, not all radios. The only way to find out is to put them in there and see. Every radio is different. Okay, let's do a power test here. 1, 2, 1. And turn that Roger beep off. I got this tripod on here. It's kind of getting in my way. All right, looks like 1 watt. 1. Oh. 1 swinging about 3 RMS on the low side. Medium. 4. 4 swinging almost 6 bird. Where's that mic gain? Okay, yeah, that mic gain like 3/4 of the way up, man. There's all the way up. Oh, oh. So 4 swinging 6 on medium. And on high power. Oh, wow. Oh, oh. It's like 9. Oh, oh. And it looks like it's dipping back a bit. Let's put it on peak and 50 watt scale. Here's high power. So there's your 9, 10 swinging 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, about 30 peak. Oh, 9, 10 swinging about 30. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And here's low power, peak. One watt swinging 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 30. Oh, that's pretty good, huh? That high setting is a little too high in my opinion. I think I'm gonna back that down. I think I'll set it for 1, 4, and 7. And I'll do the MPCRC mod to it. And we'll see if we get a little bit more power out of this baby. It's always good to compress some of that distortion, bump, bump. Okay, man, we're checking gate voltages on these MOSFETs now. And here's the driver. Four volts on the driver, which in my opinion is max. 320 on the first final. You got to be super careful when you're doing this. And 320 on the second final. Let's lower the driver. Three and a quarter. First final. Three and a half. Second final. Whew, okay. Yeah, you got to be super careful, man. You can see how close the TPs are, especially this one, to this coil. Radio's warm now, equipment's warm. Let's see what that came down to without touching anything. Okay, and now it's 20 hertz high, so once it's completely warmed up, it falls into spec, but we want to get it better than spec, so we'll get that 20 down to 0. All right, man, we got that MPCRC mod done to it. We are on low power, mic gain 3/4. This is a 10 watt slug on RMS, 10 watt scale. Turn that test radio off. Oh, a little more than a watt. Oh, about 4 bird. Flip it to medium. Oh, oh, about 4 watts. Oh, 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 9 bird. And on high power, we got you set for a oh, oh, oh. It looks like an 8 watt dead key there. Oh, and it's putting 10 in the corner. So let's go up to the next scale, which will be the 50 watt scale, RMS. Oh, I saw about 12 there. It's doing really good. Here's peak, 50 watt scale. Oh, 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 a little more than 35 peak, that's on high. 10 swing and 35 peak. Here's low, Peak. Oh, there's a little more than your watt. Oh, and swinging about 35 right there. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 35 bird peak. And all the limiters are in the radio. And you can see right there. Q39 right here. All right, man. I think you're really going to like this radio. This thing's going to be loud and proud, man. It's going to definitely rattle some speakers out there. I would suggest running it on medium power because this MPCRC mod is great. It's super efficient, especially for it bypasses the regulator. So the chassis on the radio on this side is going to stay a lot cooler. But this heatsink might get a little bit warm if you rag it on high power a lot. So just keep your eye on it. Like I said, if it gets hotter than like a hot cup of tea, then just, you know, flip this down to low power and let it cool down for a bit. But I would just run it on medium power and then you shouldn't have any problems. But this thing's definitely going to blow some dust off of some speakers out there, that's for sure. All right, man, let's take a look at the receiver and see how that's working. And we'll be back with the receiver test and we'll button this thing up. I still got to clean all the switches. Well, we got a minus 67 dBm signal going in. 50% modulated. And we're seeing like an S, a little more than an S7, a little under an S8. So let's check out the sensitivity. That might just be a meter calibration issue. There's 120, 130. Can't really hear it. You see there's 130, 130. And I don't hear it, man. Very, very faintly. So what I'm going to do is go through this receiver and see if we can get that signal to come up a little bit, and then we'll adjust the noise floor. Bump, bump. Oh yeah. Minus 67, 70, minus 67 there. And we just about got an S9 now. That's pretty good. It came up like a whole, more than an S unit, like an S unit and a quarter. And what I found was this L7 here. This L7 here was, it was waxed off, so I took the wax out of it. And this was really detuned here, this L7. I'm sorry, is that L7? Oh, that's L5, I'm sorry. This L5 here was really detuned. And what I'll do is I'll use L6 here to get rid of some of the noise when we're finished. But I want to go through it one more time. Oh yeah, dude, there's 120 and it's loud. It's loud now. That's so much better. And I hear it at 130. Pretty loud, even with the furnace running over there. 131, 2, 3. There's 134, and I hear it. Yeah, dude. That's awesome, man. So what we'll do is we'll go back through the receiver again using the oscilloscope, peak it out to maximum signal, and then I will calibrate the meter to S9 to minus 67 dBm. And you'll be golden, man. You'll be golden, Mr. Mike. 577 Jersey. And we'll be back. Bump, bump. All right, man. S9. Look at that. S9 perfect, 67 dBm. We got your sensitivity back. What I'll do is I'll put a little wax in that slug there, because that slug did feel a little loose when I was turning it, so maybe it vibrated or something. Bump, bump. All right, dude. Well, I think this is a wrap. I'm gonna throw the covers back on it. I'll shoot you an email. Everything turned out great, man. Mr. Mike from Tennessee. Highway Patrol, dude. Rock and roll. I appreciate everything you guys do. I appreciate it, I really do. 577 Jersey, and we'll catch you on the next one. God bless America. Got to put a little glue on that MPCRC mod, that way it doesn't vibrate around. We don't want that coming loose. Bump, bump.